it was also written by brilliant writers. In Southern California, you had a lot of terrific writers who went on to greater fame. And so you pick up...
Here we go, first SVR of the year.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, central Clark County in southern Nevada, until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, or 2:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time and 1:42 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, or 1:42 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Railroad Pass or near Boulder City, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Las Vegas, Henderson, North Las Vegas, Boulder City, Las Vegas Bay, Lake Las Vegas, East Las Vegas, Sam Boyd Stadium, Green Valley, Paradise, Boulder Beach, Railroad Pass, Boulder Beach Campground, Las Vegas Bay Campground, Coville Bay Campground, Black Mountain, and Frenchman Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There we go, the first severe thunderstorm warning of monsoon season. Oh, and I'm here with my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, he's over here watching me. I was kind of surprised when I got the IM-bot notification on my phone. I was completely unaware of it. I was sitting here in my room today thinking, oh, I don't think I'm going to get any alert today. But to my surprise, I got an SVR. Plus, it was issued for some parts of the metropolitan area, so that's good. It's not specifically issued for my area, but as you can see out there, some dark clouds. So I might as well just go ahead and get all my radio set up and be prepared for the next. By the way, guys, I just noticed something. It's that when the SVR was relayed, I heard that the National Weather Service now includes impact, source, and hazard on their warning texts, as well as for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building in the precautionary/preparedness action section of the warning text. So, seems like that the National Weather Service in Las Vegas did an improvement on their texts. So, there you go. Now time to wait for the next warning. I heard a big strike of lightning over here earlier, so let's go ahead and go to radar scope. See what we got dealing here. Okay, so we've got somewhat severe, I'd say a strong thunderstorm. Oh, we've got a strong storm here. There needs to be an SVR issued for that. That is severe. This one is starting to turn severe, but not that much. So in all, this should be the only severe storm that we should be seeing on the radar right now, along with some that are in Mojave County, but I can't catch that. Unless it includes one of my counties, then I can't catch alerts from Mojave County. But there you have it.
At 4:47 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Stovepipe Wells. Flash flooding is expected along Highway 190 south of Stovepipe Wells Shorty. Flash flooding remains likely through the evening across parts of Death Valley, especially west of Furnace Creek. Some locations that will experience flooding include Stovepipe Wells and Panamint Springs. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.
SVR!
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Clark County in southern located over Railroad Pass or near Boulder City, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Boulder City, Las Vegas Bay, Lake Las Vegas, Sam Boyd Stadium, Green Valley, Paradise, East Las Vegas, Boulder Beach, Railroad Pass, Boulder Beach Campground, Las Vegas Bay Campground, Coville Bay, Hoover Dam, Coville Bay Campground, Boulder Basin in Lake Mead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Mead, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
That you became, and you can correct me if I'm wrong here, more secular?
Yeah, I don't want to talk about my own faith.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Clark County in southern Nevada until 3:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Railroad Pass or near Boulder City, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Boulder City, Las Vegas Bay, Lake Las Vegas, Sam Boyd Stadium, Green Valley, Paradise, East Las Vegas, Boulder Beach, Railroad Pass, Boulder Beach Campground, Las Vegas Bay Campground, Coville Bay, Hoover Dam, Coville Bay Campground, Boulder Basin in Lake Mead. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Lake Mead, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
What's wrong? This didn't
Source,
activate?
radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mopetown and Mopa Valley. This includes Interstate 15 in Nevada between mile markers 86 and 96. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Clark County in southern Nevada until 8:30.
Wow, that was completely unexpected. Right there. Did IMBot ever go off for that? Because I would have seen it. Okay, yep. Okay, so I understand the problem now because I got a new phone today. I didn't set up the Twitter notifications yet, so I guess I should have seen that message. Apparently, EAS enthusiast told me about it, and there you go. I'm recording the alert off of KNPR right now, so... Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention. My WR120 actually coded the alert as the unrecognized message, which I find really weird.
20% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
The only reason I would understand that they would put on recognized message is if there was barely any signal. And it's a strong station, and I don't understand why the 12-996 didn't activate, because usually it would. But at least the 300 the CO100 and the WR120 did, but unrecognized message. But there you guys have it. That was the second SVR of the day. Let me just go ahead and stop this recording. There we go.
As people come, they leave with memories that you can't get at Main Street, USA. I mean, you can't get in your hometown. And I think that's one of the greatest things.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Clark County in southern Nevada until 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mopa Town and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mopa Town and Mopa Valley. This includes Interstate 15 in Nevada between mile markers 86 and 96. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.